Hello and welcome back to LOETB's How To series. We are going to look at how to manage your files and folders within OneDrive. So the first thing you're going to do is click on My Files. Now this should be empty for you as you shouldn't have saved any documents before, or if you have, you can delete any ones that you don't need anymore. You'll see here I have semester 1 in, and there's 4 items in the folder already. So if we click in there, you can see I have 4 of the modules that are taken in semester 1 for healthcare. So to add this, up on the left hand side, you'll see a blue button that says add new. So click that and then folder. We are going to name this one Care Skills, and then you can color code your folders so that they're easy to access and easy to find. So click create, and now we have our Care Skills folder. Okay, so you'll see in this one, safety and health at work, we already have a document in there. If I want to add a document to a folder, again, the blue button would add new, but this time it's file upload. Okay, so when we click on that, it'll bring us back out to where we have previously saved any documents. And on this, we want to get assignment 1, care skills, and open that up. Okay, so that is now saved into our OneDrive. If we want to remove any folders or files, the folder has to be empty before it can be deleted. So in the case of the safety and health at work folder, if I wanted to remove that, I have to click first and delete any documents that are in that folder. Okay, so when that is gone, I can now go back out and delete the folder. So if I wanted to move any of these folders to semester 2, so we've now gone through semester 1, we're going to add a new folder for semester 2. And because work experience goes across the 2 semesters, we can now move our work experience folder to semester 2. Okay, so move to, and then it'll give us our options of where we want to go. Okay, so click back out to My Files, click into semester 2, and move here. Okay, so you'll see work experience has now disappeared from the screen. And if we go back out to semester 2, it is now there.